hours are always so exciting and I'm sure these good-looking people will definitely create a splash at the prom. और अगर आप भी हमारे फैशन फ्लर्ट सेगमेंट का हिस्सा बनना चाहते हैं, then all you have to do is visit our website and send in your details. Right now, it's time for me to take a short break. See you in a bit. Coming up, break के बाद it's time to set sail to the Dubai International Boat Show. और उसके बाद a closer look at stress management in High Focus. See you in a jiffy. And welcome back to High Life Dubai. You're still with me, Uma, and I'm taking you to Meena Sehai Marina in Dubai for a visual treat you don't want to miss. मैं आपको लेके चल रही हूँ दुबई इंटरनेशनल बोट शो में, which is one of the most important events in the global yachting calendar.
Back to the dewdrop.
This is the 17th edition of this event, जहाँ पर हर साल दुनिया भर के सबसे क्लासी और luxurious boat manufacturers अपनी boats wealthy customers को दिखाने आते हैं. This year was no different. We got to see some of the most luxurious and fascinating boats. Let's meet the owners.
My name is Mohammed Shaali. I am the chairman of Gulf Craft Inc. Well, Gulf Craft has been participating in Dubai International Boat Show since its inception. Every year we add new models and new sizes to our range, and we use the Dubai International Boat Show as our main platform.
Seems so crazy about this. I really gotta play some of this.
My name is Bettina Spiegel. We are a company based in Dubai. It's the Harib family, which has been in boat making pretty much all their history. So they started with dhows and built out into fishing boats, and now what we have here is a luxury transportation boat. So we called it Limousine 61. As you can see, it's a stunning exterior, and the interior is completely designed to each client's specification. I mean, we designed this one specifically for Sheikh from UAE. It was designed kind of in a style of the Mashlis, so you know he can, with his VIP guests, sit and converse and have a meeting.
So sublime. My baby seems so crazy about this.
I'm Francesco Pitea, the Marine Project Manager of Sunseeker Middle East, the dealer for Sunseeker from all Middle East, from Lebanon to the Maldives. We are displaying behind me the 38-meter, the largest boat display in this Dubai International Boat Show 2009, and the largest boat that Sunseeker built until now. We are planning to build now the 46-meter, the Zeus, that was the 56-meter aluminum hull.
Sailing lifestyle is getting more and more popular all over the world. After all, everyone needs a break from the stressful world we live in. With that, we come to our next segment, High Focus. And once again, we are going to discuss about stress. फोकस में हम हर हफ्ते उन इश्यूज़ को डिस्कस करते हैं जो हमारे लिए और हमारे सोसाइटी के लिए बहुत मायने रखते हैं. And we not only discuss the issue but also offer solutions. This week we are going to give you some tips on stress management. Stress management. Here are 10 steps to de-stress for your present and future. Heal yourself. The most effective steps you can take are the simplest: exercise, a healthy diet, regular sleep, no alcohol intake and no smoking. Get organized. Remove your physical clutter and you will eradicate your mental clutter. Plus, you will feel energized. Set boundaries. Set your boundaries by determining what others cannot do to you or in your presence, and sharing this information respectfully with anyone who's stepping over one of your boundaries. Take time for yourself. Put together a list of all the things you love to do but haven't regularly made time to do. Be positive. Love yourself and use the power of positive words, pleasing thoughts and affirming beliefs to live the life you want to live. Work in a career you love. You will know you are in the right profession when you wake up anxious to go to work. You want to do your best daily and you know your work is important. Surround yourself with supportive community. Spend time with people you love and accept you just the way you are, and know how to have fun. Learn to say no. Learn to be more assertive. For example, not agreeing to things you know you can't do well or no shouldn't be your responsibility. Zap tolerations. A toleration is something that irritates you and drains your energy because it needs to be done, fixed, removed or changed. Put together a list of all the things that bug you and get them fixed. Get your needs met. A need is not an option. It's something you must have to function fully. When you acknowledge and satisfy your needs, you will be free to focus on other areas of your life. Believe me, these tips work and they keep me stress-free and healthy. But there's something else that keeps my skin young and glowing, and that's Naturibise. If you want to win products from Naturibise, just visit our website. With that, we come to the end of this exciting journey and experience. See you next week. Till then, keep yourself stress-free.